on my way to Ballet. I'm here waiting to pick up my friend because we're going there together. I am so looking forward to it. We haven't been out in quite a bit. We did ballet when we were younger. So when ballet was offered by this person that did ballet, because she was so good and we are all about supporting her, we said we're gonna go out again because we adored her. She was such a great dancer, and the fact that she said, hey, you know, she's gonna do classes, had a bit of like a nostalgic moment where we're looking forward to reliving our younger years. But yeah, we are looking forward to it. And she said in one of her posts that since it's Christmas season, she's gonna be like doing some nutcracker pieces. So girl, say less. We are about to go. It is now like minutes to 9. It starts at 9. So I hope to God my friend comes out of her yard soon so we can get there on time. But I was kind of talking her out this morning, and then she was like, oh snap, look at the time, I have to go to shower and get ready. And I was just like, okay, by the time I reach you, you'll be ready, hopefully. But she's doing the host, and I feel so bad because she literally was so invested in the conversation that we were having this morning. But yeah, when we reach, because you know we're on vibes and we're gonna enjoy ourselves, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. So I'll see you soon.
Good buddy.
Very nice to see. We survived it. We are looking like...
No. Oh my god.
We are looking like we were busting a sweat, but...
Will we come back again?
Yes?
For the rest of the year? No.
What?
Because it wasn't January.
Yeah. For the rest of the month, I guess. I mean, we're doing well. So we have like 4 more classes.
We'll be better. We'll be back soon.
We'll be great. We're already better. Okay.
We'll be back to where we used to be.
What?
18 years ago.
What? I love this for us.
So what happened is... Okay, but she was say, you guys will be like tired.
Yes, like you do the spins. For those who do the turning, to do the This is our first class back. So we're doing a progression thing. Yeah, we would rate our fitness
1.
What? Out of 10. Just came back from dancing. It was, as you just saw, I enjoyed myself, and I look forward, as my friend Nandy and myself said, we made a pact that we're going to be doing this more often. We'll see how that goes. Right now, I am trying to get ready real quick because I am supposed to be meeting my friends at Cholitos. We're going to be trying the Christmas menu items. Hopefully, it is as good as they say it is, or else I'd be just using up my money and I could go somewhere else. I'm looking forward to it because I have not seen these people since my birthday, and that is like a month, actually a month now. So we said, let's just meet up and let's just enjoy ourselves with some sorrel margaritas and some little, you know, shitting. PJ messaged me and he's just like, hey, let's do 12:30, and then I'm looking at my clock and it's like 12:04.
Let's see if I can get ready in like tutus.
Like I thought I had liked this lipstick, but no, I don't because it's looking like I don't have a mouth. Anyhow, I am obviously the friend that waits on everybody because your girl is now waiting on PJ. PJ says, I messaged PJ and PJ was like, oh, can you give me 10 minutes when I'm outside? I was just like, sir, no. But anyhow, just go wait because obviously I'm just going based on vibes today. And like I said, I haven't seen my friends, so I'm looking forward to it. I forgot to put on moisturizer, so oh my god, my face is looking like a hot mess. Bruh. But hopefully people don't realize. I think I want to also take off this lipstick because I mean it's making me look rough in my opinion. What do you guys think? Yeah. I mean, 1 second though, my teeth are the same color as my shirt, which is white, so I was just like, white teeth to the win. I'm so happy, like you don't even understand like yeah. So I'm gonna see if I have any lotion in the car. Hopefully I have lotion in that bag of everything or something that can, you know, give me some kind of relief because I can't go in looking like a dusty crusty human. So catch you guys back when I reach Chilitos because
I'm gonna get it. You know when next you have the phone turned sideways, you know it's serious.
Hey you.
Yeah, you're getting your shots.
I'm taking our chairs.
Ready?
To get your chairs right.
Hold on guys, I'm new to this.
I don't even try.
Ready, set, go.
Guys, the sour margarita is the hit. Probably the only thing on the Christmas menu that was a hit. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I am gonna tell you like it is because God no, the Christmas burrito ball or whatever they want to call it, deconstructed burrito ball, is not it. I'm not going to lie, it was not it. I'm on my way home and I'm gonna, dude, I wanna go into the left lane. I don't even know how the heck I reach in this lane. I'm in the wrong lane, like it's 3 lanes away from where I'm supposed to go. But the sour margarita, I really don't know if I'm going to reach my friend's boot up situation at thing, but it's now like 4 o'clock and she said that she wanted to reach there for 9 o'clock, so I'm gonna sleep until 8 o'clock and then get ready. But your girl had a great time with her friends and your girl is gonna go and sleep, so I'll catch you back when I'm ready to get ready for 9 o'clock to hang out with one of my other friends and let you know. Okay, so catch you guys back.
2 hours later.
When I tell you I'm not out,
Bruh.
I'm gonna get ready now. Catch you guys back in a few.
I'm ready. This is the best I could do on a tight schedule. And I'm so over it. It's now minutes to 10. I don't know where I'm going. I should be going to my bed, but here we are. Let's go. Hey girl is here getting gas because kill me dead for being on time for things. Like when people say certain times, I was like, okay, yeah, I'll be there. But as people say, and it's no lie, if you're in Jamaica, you're on Jamaican time. Like that's just that. If you say you're going to something at 7 o'clock, chances are 9 o'clock is when people are actually strolling out. It is what it is, people. It is what it is. Since I have gas, I can pull off to the side and just go and watch a show or something till she's ready. Because if I ever go back home, I'm not coming back out of my house. I'm going straight to my bed. So yeah. What flavor drinks you have? No.
Coke, grape, and Sprite.
Can I just get a regular water then, please?
Water?
Yeah, thanks.
That's it?
Yes.
1,070.
All right, thank you. Your girl is currently at Burger King. I am dying. And it's now like 2:45 in the morning. So I said I want to take off this and shower before I eat. Chances are I might just fall asleep. Nice and clean and makeup is off and wear things. I'm gonna go downstairs, eat something real quick, and then make it digest for a little bit and go sleep.